Guys, and welcome back to Auto Show Place. It's me again, Jesse. Hi, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm going to show you guys another fresh arrival. This one still needs to be buff, polished, waxed, certified, go through the Auto Show Place process. But by the time it is done and sitting on the floor, I reassure you, it's going to look better than a brand new car. Okay, what you guys are looking at is a 2007 Lexus ES350 premium package. So you have the Xeon headlights, fog lights, alloy wheels, true keyless entry. You push the button, the doors will lock. You hold the handle, the doors will open. You have heated and cooled seats. Front seats are heated and cooled. Dual power seats, memory driver seat, automatic windows. You have power door locks, push start. It is a 6-disc CD changer, upgraded sound system. The rear windshield has a shade that comes up. You push a button, the shade will come up, and it would protect you from the sun or I guess high beam lights in the evening. The leather is in great condition. Rear vents for the passengers so they can get the heat and the AC. Sexy line, sexy look to this car, folks. Dual tip exhaust. You can't get a dual tip in 3 Series BMWs, but you get it in an ES350. Again, folks, you guys got to come into Auto Show Place. All our cars certified, tested. 20 years in the business out of one location, over 11,000 cars sold. All our cars come with a CarProof full history disclosure. We walk the car with a paint meter. You can walk it with us if you want. Take the car to your own mechanic for a pre-purchase inspection, no questions asked. Again, guys, call us 416-661-3444. Visit us online, autoshowplace.ca. Or you can walk on in, 4279 Steeles Avenue West. Either way, you click, you call, you walk in. Look for me, it's Jesse. I'll make sure to take care of you guys. We have specials going on all the time. Come in, take advantage. Hope to see you guys soon.